hyped this vlog up so much, so I hope you guys are ready. This weekend's about to be stupid. We are going from Detroit to Knoxville, Tennessee. So we're looking at like 20 hours of driving this weekend. Whipping the S5, we're gonna meet up with Ty later and Marasco. He's gonna be my co-pilot going all the way down, all the way back. We already passed our first state trooper, but I haven't had my radar detector installed yet, but we'll be working on that here shortly. You may be wondering where I got this hoodie. No hands driving, that's a little dangerous, but DJ Edders, Matt Edders, his Etsy shop will be in the description of this video right on top. It's one of my good friends, so go support him if you want some merch. Here we go. Weekend starts now.
What up, YouTube? How's it going today? We're with KG. His first rally ever. This is gonna be the RK Fall Run. He wanted a seasoned co-pilot. It is day 0 currently, which it is Thursday night. Just gonna get a quick wash here before we apply some decals. KG, how you feeling?
Awesome. We just got a free wash and then we just got some chicken, so nothing much better than that.
We just got some roasted chicken. $18 for free. It's gonna be a cheap weekend.
Their thing was broken, and so they were like, we'll just hook you up with the best one for free. I'm like, well, what's that saying? What's that saying? Don't ask me twice.
All right, we're at the wash zone. We gotta give a shout out to our boy. That's the man right there. If you are in Novi, Michigan, go to the wash zone and get hooked up by this guy. Apparently he knows what he's doing. So a little itinerary. We're gonna meet up with the boys in a little bit. We just had some dinner. We gotta go to Boost Control Performance. Is it BCP?
Are you asking me?
Yeah.
I have no idea.
BCP, it's a tune shop down here. We gotta stop and get Easy Pass for Troy out of his blown up GTR. Shout out to Troy with the blown GTR.
R.I.P. man, that was a sad thing.
That is sad. We're gonna miss that one, but he's got something cooler, and we'll be sure to show you guys that tomorrow. See you in a little bit.
I'd pay $18 just for the colors down here, dude. You got some purple. It'd help if I weren't colorblind, but... Little RS5 rolling up.
Whoa, look at these lights.
Mind if I get in here?
No,
just a little bit.
Woo!
Okay, the lights are my favorite part.
This could go here.
I like that there.
Then it's going there.
Okay.
I see you waited till it was nice and dark outside to do this.
I love that I have 4 Loko on there. It just makes me feel so cool.
Dude, are you kidding me? They're the best. If you don't like 4 Loko, you're about to after this weekend. You're about to drink more 4 Loko than you've ever wanted to in your life. Just don't drink the hemp ones. Those are really gross.
That sounds gross. Magnum helicopters. That is so bad.
You have a kid that has it.
Do not all of them.
How do you?
Dude, because I'm dope.
You are, dude.
Sorry, I distracted.
No, like me and Troy were literally having to get extra ones. Mine and Troy's don't have this, and we need that. That's the company that's following us.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna wrap, so I'm just.
Oh wow. Okay. I love that knife so close to my paint.
Dude, I'm a pro.
Little snip, snip.
I know it.
We ran out of daylight, so we're running with the flashlight here in the new M6. Ooh, sorry, I got a flashlight over here again. All right, gang, it's
radio's
like,
on.
What is it, 5 a.m. right now?
Yeah.
We got the radios cleared. We got 5 in the morning departure. It's about to be a fun day. We'll meet you on the other side. We gotta gas up a little bit. Oh, we almost had the same amount.
But you drove from wherever the hell you drove from.
Mount Pleasant. Bit of a nippy morning. I had to fill up a few tanks.
Do a haul video?
Haul video? Yeah, what do we got? What do we got?
Tried it.
Good.
New car, air freshener.
Oh, I was catching out.
Bag of water, baby, Habibis. We're definitely confetti. God damn it.
Oh, that's unfortunate, man. Oh, yikes.
That's less than ideal.
The helicopter's on its way.
Quick update.
We've been all tied up with some spirited driving, so I haven't really got to vlog a lot, but this is quite the experience. We got a bunch of cool cars. Kind of got lost right now, but we're finding our way back to a checkpoint here in about 5 miles.
I think we're with about 15 cars right now. We kind of got a little detour. Got a couple boys in the back. I'm sure you didn't hear that at all.
Little takeover here. Doors up. I want to see this. This looks so cool in the sun. Yeah, we shut down a gas station.
If you look over my shoulder there, a couple friends joining us.
They're checking it out.
They're checking it out. They're cool.
They're taking pictures. Everybody's loving it.
Beautiful day out.
Yeah, so we're kind of parked in. We did shut down the gas station a bit. It's a little chaotic. The cops are right in front, so I think we're just gonna leave all as a pack. That way we avoid any issues. But I can't even move, so we're just kind of chilling here for now. Welcome. Ooh, okay. Is that on the rally?
I don't think so.
I don't think so either. I saw it when we pulled in. I was like, okay.
We're trying to do a burnout.
I mean, that car.
We're in a bit of traffic right now. We found one of the rally members in front of us, but we were kind of way in the back and we got a slow start to the last launch. I think we're stopping at a gas station and then hopefully gang up with everybody if we ever get out of this traffic.
We got a bigger situation though. I lost my jewel. So if anyone finds it, my name is scratched on the side and it says Short Vix. So if you find it, call me.
All right, so the system we got going right now is Waze, which tells us where the cops are. We've got the radar detector. Was this an Escort Max? Prime example right there is running a little K-band. Brian, no. That's what we don't want to do when that goes off. Jesus, bro.
I'm just trying to make it fun and spirited, if you know what I mean.
Spirited driving is cool. And then we got this group chat with like 100 people in it, which are like, okay, there's a cop at mile marker, whatever. Made it! Woo! Welcome to Knoxville, baby! La policia! What if he just whips around and pulls us right now?
What?
We got the whole way. We get pulled over like 100 feet from the hotel. That sucks. So we just got to the second stop of the day. We're at a casino, gonna grab some lunch. Do you even know what city we're in?
I don't know. We're in North Carolina. That's all we know.
I didn't even know that much. We just had some fun driving. So we just finished the tail. I don't think I've updated the vlog since, but the Tail of the Dragon was probably the most just nuts driving experience I've ever had in my entire life. We were running through 318 turns in 11 miles. Is that correct? Yep. I wish we got a GoPro video of the whole thing, but we got some cool clips. Definitely throw us in there.
Needless to say, it was wild. We were holding up with the R8 completely fine through the windies, and he drives on the track. So, KG, shout out to you, man.
We were mobbing. That was fun.
We were mobbing.
It's a moose. It's a big animal. It's peeing. The elk's peeing. Giving Ryan a little driving time in the Audi S5. How you liking it?
It's pretty good. Just this Suburban's really cramping my style here. So scientist Roy kept wanting a little information on why the can is pressurized. That would mean we're at altitude. So I think the air's thinner up here, and the air in the can is slated for sea level. It expands due to an indifference in the inside pressure and the outside pressure.
It's bulging. That's your non-sciencey.
Heard that many times.
So this is Liquid Death. This is one of our sponsors for the rally. Murder Your Thirst. It's kind of cool. It's I mean, it's just water, but it's in a can. It says death to plastic. I guess these are better for the turtles.
Hold on, 1, 2, 3, go.
What do you mean go?
Go what? Okay, I got a picture.
Oh, it'll be D's for sure. It'll be D's.
All right, we'll update in a minute. So we have the second birthday celebration for Ty today. And
I'm feeling young.
feeling young. What birthday are we celebrating?
Hey, who's mapping this shit?
72.
72. Happy 72nd birthday.
Thanks, man. I'm more of a Benjamin Button story, so we're good.
Good morning, Knoxville. It is Sunday, and we're starting our last morning here. We're both super tired. The coffee machine's broken, so we just tried this.
So what we have going on here is it'll start, but it's not producing good enough coffee.
Wait.
So. Whoa!
Wait a minute.
For the vlog, ladies and gentlemen, would you look at that?
Third try.
Oh, wait, hold on. No.
No, it's good.
Dude, that's like half water.
Oh, it does look pretty bad. Yeah, anyways, we're gonna get free coffee downstairs because this is just not great. But we're doing the Devil's Triangle today. I know a couple guys left early for, there was a car meet with like 3,000 cars.
3,000 cars at a mall, and it goes all the way around the mall. So it kind of looked cool, but we were a little bit too
tired. Tired was the word we were looking for there. Well, we have these liquid deaths. It's just gonna revive us this morning, and we're gonna get on the road here in about 30 minutes. So the goal today is to get more cool GoPro videos. I have a few I'll probably toss in somewhere.
POV kind of day.
It is a POV kind of day. I think we're gonna absolutely rip through the mountains again. It is a little wet outside, so I'm concerned about speed. There are no guardrails, is that correct?
Correct.
Where we're going today?
So the Tail of the Dragon is definitely more technical, but the Devil's Triangle is like sweeping corners, like 1s and 2s, and there's no guardrails. So
no.
We're gonna see how this goes.
And those are the fun ones to drive. Those are the ones you can go 80, 90 on like we were doing yesterday, but it won't be the same today based on the level of difficulty plus the rain. So we'll keep you updated, and yeah, we're heading out here soon. Damn, got saran wrap to that pole, boy. That sucks. First gas stop of the day, coming shortly after we departed from the hotel. But Ty, what's your fuel situation like? Half? We're just above half, so. Eric, how's the physical health today?
We are in a mental state of really, I got hit by a bus last night, so we'll get some gas this morning. We're gonna re-up, do it again, see how we feel.
Perfect, perfect. Got him! At least they're not the messy kind.
We have all the cars with us right now. We are heading to Devil's Triangle to run some roads. How you feeling?
A little nervous, but I'm not hungover, so I'm confident in my abilities. I just wish this road would clear up because it's a little slippery.
Yeah, road's a little wet, but we're having fun. The group's a whole right now. We're just chatting on the radios. We're having a great time.
I'm steady right now, if you want. So I'm saying this as we're ripping through the Devil's Triangle right now. We have jagged rocks on our left and about a 700-foot drop off a cliff to our right. You'll know that I fell off if this video never gets posted, but if it does, please leave a like because I'm terrified right now, and I'm just having the time of my life, honestly. This is awesome. We're in the Tennessee Rocky Mountains something or other. It's like we're literally in the clouds, like it's misty. The cloud is gathering on my windshield, and I don't think I can talk any longer because I really gotta focus, and that's all for me. Thanks. Sup, gang? We're going, what is this? Spin hunting. We're all going mobbing on scooters, but there's obviously like a limited amount, but there's actually like a ton.
Oh, there's one right there.
Oh, somebody want to get it?
See how charged it is.
It's at 100, it says. Looks like we stumbled across a whole fleet, and we're gonna meet them when we get back. So shout out Spin. We're not sponsored, but this is gonna be like a fun little hour of just riding until these things freaking die.
Dude, there's, look how many there are. Before the bridge. A few casualties. Done. Empty. Dude, you broke somebody. I didn't break any of them. He was the only one. Mark broke like 3 of them. I just had to replace them.
Alright, so it's Sunday night. I think tonight's gonna be the fullest of sends. It's open bar. We got little wristbands that are gonna have us fully enabled to do whatever we want, which is a terrible idea, but it'll be very fun. We had an awesome day of driving today. It was only, we were probably driving for like maybe 2-3 hours, but nonetheless, very fun driving. We got a lot of GoPro video from today especially. We had a GTR, we were behind, and he was absolutely shooting flames. It's so Dubai GTR.
How's it going? Welcome to day 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Todd. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake?
George just got an RP tattoo today.
good one, dude. That was sick.
That's not that cool.
No floating line, Roy.
Tyler.
No, we're not. Oh, you spilled that, bro. No. I'm soaking. Stop. Damn, Roy. I'm so. Did you try?
All right, so we just got back to the hotel. It's what time is it? About 1:45. Ryan just threw up in the bathroom. Dang. May or may not put that in the vlog, but we got like 4 McDoubles right now, and then a double quarter pounder with cheese. So we're like set for the rest of the night. It's a good one. We're gonna get on the road at 7:45 in the morning. Again, that is in 5.5 hours. So we're gonna go to bed. Good night.